Right. Welcome to back to class of photosynthesis in higher plants. So in previous class I explained about different types of photosynthetic pigments. So in generally the photosynthetic pigments are three types. The first pigment is called chlorophyll. Second pigment is called this is the second pigment. So this is a first pigment. The first pigment is chlorophyll. Second pigment is carotenoids, and the third pigment is that is the phycobilins. So these are three types of pigments are present in higher plants. So in a previous video I explained about different types of the chlorophyll molecules: chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, chlorophyll D, chlorophyll E, and bacteriochlorophyll. So these are different types of chlorophyll molecules are present in higher plants. So in a previous video I explained about what are the main differences between chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. These two are main chlorophyll pigments are present in the higher plants. Okay, na? So in this video I will explain about the that is what are the carotenoids and phycobilins. So here what are the main structure of the carotenoids? So these carotenoids are orange colored pigment. So here chlorophyll is the green colored pigment. The carotenoids are orange colored pigments. Okay. So next, so what are the main structure of the carotenoids? The carotenoids are unsaturated polyhydrocarbons being composed of 8 isoprene units in their structure. So this is the most important. 8 isoprene units are present in this carotenoids structure. So next, the carotenoids are made up of two 6-membered rings having hydrocarbon chains in between them. So in between the 6-membered rings, the contains hydrocarbon chain is there. Hydrocarbon chain is present in between the two 6-membered rings. So this is the structure of the carotenoids. So in this carotenoids, they absorb violet and indigo blue light in the visible spectrum of light at the particular wavelength is called 400 to 500 nanometer. So these carotenoids are absorbs violet color, indigo color and blue light in a visible spectrum of light at the specific wavelength is that is the 400 to 500 nanometer. So this is the structure of the carotenoids. So the carotenoids are orange colored pigments. Okay. Next, generally the carotenoids are again classified into two types. The first one is carotenes. For the first one is carotenes, and second one is xanthophylls. Here the carotenoids are classified into two main groups. The first one is carotenes and second one is xanthophylls. So what are the carotenes? The carotenes are first isolated from the carrot roots. So carotenes are first isolated from carrot roots. So next, the carotenes are orange colored pigments. The chlorophyll is a green colored pigment, carotenoids are orange colored pigments, and the carotene is also that is the orange colored pigment. So what is the molecular formula of carotenes? C40 and H56. So this is the carotene molecular formula. So next, carotenes. The carotenes are present in the green leaves and petals of the flower. In our plant body, so the different types of flowers are there. That different types of flowers appears like different types of colors. So why the petals are appears different colors? Why? Because that is the carotenoids. Carotenoids or carotene. And fruits, some fruits are appears like different colors. Why that fruits are appears as different colors? Why? Because that is a carotene accessory pigments are there. Okay, na? So this is the carotene. For example, tomato. The tomato is appears like red in color. Why? Because that is the carotene pigments are there. Some fruits, lemon fruit is appears like yellow in color. Why? Because that is the carotene's pigments are present. So in carotene, what are the common carotenes are present in our higher plants? So here the carotenes, common carotenes are there. That is alpha carotene, beta carotene, and gamma carotene. So these the common carotenes are present in carotenoids. That is alpha, beta, and gamma carotenes. In these three carotenes, 80% of carrot root is contains beta carotene, and alpha carotene is 10% in carrot root, and 0.1% in alpha carotene is present in roots of carrot. Okay, so these are examples for the common carotenes in higher plants. So what are the examples of the carotenes? What are the examples of carotenes? Lycopene. This is the lycopene. This lycopene is appears red in color. That is a tomato fruit color. The lycopene, it is present in tomato fruits. It is appears like red in color, yellow to red. That is the lycopene, because of the lycopene is present in the tomato. And also that is Lycopersicum esculentum, that is the chili fruit. It is also contains lycopene, that is the color of the fruit. Okay, so this is the best example for the carotenes. So next, second group of the carotenoids, that is the xanthophylls. Xanthophylls. So what is the what are the xanthophylls? Xanthophylls are one type of carotenoids, and they appears like yellow colored pigment. The xanthophylls are yellow colored pigment. So the most common xanthophylls are present in green plants, that is fucoxanthin. Fucoxanthin. This is the most important, that is xanthophyll. It is present in the Phaeophyceae members, that is brown algae. In algae classification, that is Phaeophyceae, Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae, Rhodophyceae, like this classes are present in algae. In that three classes, the Phaeophyceae members having that is the fucoxanthin. This is the most important pigment in the brown algae. So next example for the xanthophyll, that is zeaxanthin. Zeaxanthin, it is yellow colored leaves. So sometimes you will observe the leaves are converted into the yellow. Why? Because that zeaxanthin is formed in the leaf. Then after the formation of zeaxanthin, the leaves are fall down. So that is the zeaxanthin. So this is example for xanthophyll. So next example for xanthophylls, that is violaxanthin and neoxanthin. So these are the best examples for the xanthophylls pigments. So these two, carotenes and xanthophylls, are under the carotenoids. Okay, na? So carotenoids are generally orange colored pigments. Carotene is also orange colored pigments, and xanthophylls yellow colored pigments. So these are two types of phycobilins. So this is the third type of photosynthetic pigment. So that is phycobilins. So these phycobilins are comprises bile pigments and phycobilins. So in bile pigments are secreted from the liver. This is the animal, the human physiology. That is the bile pigments are secreted from the liver. So next in our plant kingdom, that is phycobilins are generally three classes are there. The first one is phycoerythrin. The phycoerythrin is a red colored pigment. So phycoerythrin is the dominant photosynthetic pigment in rhodophyceae members. Rhodophyceae members in algae classification. So phycoerythrin. The phycoerythrin, it is the red colored pigment. It is the dominant pigment in the rhodophyceae members. So next second class of the phycobilins, that is phycocyanin. The phycocyanin, it is a blue colored pigment. So this type of phycobilins means phycocyanin, it is present in Cyanophyceae members. Cyanophyceae members, that is in a Cyanophyceae members the phycocyanin is present. So example, cyanobacteria like this. Okay, so that is second class of the phycobilins. So next third class of this that is phycobilins, allophycocyanin. So these are three classes are present in the phycobilins. So in this phycobilins, that is the phycobilins are absorbs yellow, orange, green and red light at the visible spectrum of light at the specific wavelength is 500 to 650 nanometer. So this is the absorption of phycobilins, absorption of at the specific wavelength in the visible spectrum of light at the specific nanometer, that is 500 to the 650 nanometer. So this is the three classes of photosynthetic pigments. The first class is chlorophyll, and the second class is carotenoids, and third group of the photosynthetic pigments is nothing but that is phycobilins. So here in carotenoids, here the beta carotene on hydrolysis, it gives rise to the vitamin A. So that is the when the beta carotene is undergoes to hydrolysis process, then to gives the vitamin A. That is the most important concept from the beta carotene. So this is the three types of